so this is a mood board that I created with Gemini AI. Now, this wasn't actually a single picture. Instead, this is a template that will stitch together some pictures that will form a mood board. And I basically created this template using the canvas mode in Gemini, and the result is pretty amazing. So there are some benefits of using this approach. First, you can select what picture that you want to use into the mood board. For example, I can just drag and drop this picture into this section. I can do the same for this picture. And now the mood board is complete, and overall the design looks much prettier. It's going to be better. And the second benefit is that there is going to be less hallucination, because again, you can select the picture that you want to use, so it's going to be matching well with your own product. And I think it's going to be eye-catching if you post this on social media. And speaking about that, you can click the download button down here and you'll get the PNG file of that picture, which again, you can use to market or promote your product on the internet. So in this video, I'll show you how you can actually get something that looks like this using Gemini AI. And it's very, very simple. In fact, there's only one prompt that you need to use to create this mood board design. So let me show you how you can do it. First, let's navigate to gemini.google.com. And by the way, before I continue, I will show you that I'm going to be using this Google Pixel photos as an example of a product that I will turn into a mood board. And as you can see, later I'm going to put some blue theme pictures into the mood board, which I think is going to look really cool. All right, let's go back. Now, I'm going to be using Gemini 2.5 Pro model. This is the best model for coding at the moment, but feel free to use any model that is available on your account. Now here, you can click this button and then click upload files. And I'll select that Google Pixel phone, the blue Pixel phone right there. Click open. And I'm going to be using this prompt, which is very, very long, but don't worry about that because I will provide the full prompt in the video description. Now, after that, click this and then enable canvas, which is very, very important. And now just send a message. By the way, this picture should not or will not be included into the first template, because this picture, we are providing this picture to Gemini because we just want to let AI about the colors that are being used in the picture. So it's going to create a color palette that will later be put into the template. But again, that picture won't be in a template, at least when things go right, because sometimes AI might do something wrong and it will put some random picture into the template, but that rarely happens. Now, okay, it's almost finished, and there you go. So I got this design. All right, it looks okay. And by the way, the image placeholders are going to be different from one template to another, and it's likely that you're going to see something that look a bit different, but more or less the structure is kind of similar. You will see some pictures and some layout, and also the download button right here, and also there's the color palette. Now, depending on the results, sometimes you might want to tell AI to do something like, hey, I don't like this layout, I want to add more image placeholders. Feel free to do that. But basically, if you're quite happy with the result, you can start adding some pictures into the template. So I'm going to upload that Pixel phone again. I'm going to just drag and drop that. There you go. And I'm going to upload this picture and maybe this picture. And maybe finally, let me try, I guess, this picture. There you go. So this is the result. Okay, it's very simple. There are many pictures here, but overall, I would say it looks amazing. And if you're quite happy with the result or mood board that you just designed, click download. And there you go. So this is the result. And again, it looks pretty good. By the way, there is this problem that says something went wrong. But if it doesn't stopping you from downloading the picture, then you can ignore it. You can, just close this and continue using the template that you just created with Gemini. So that's basically how you can achieve this amazing design, this mood board using Gemini. And again, we are not using the image model. We are using the coding capability to create this beautiful looking template. So again, the prompt should be available in the description. And if you want to see more amazing tutorials like this one, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.